nice.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to Twang and Bang. I've been running Bravo Company's short vertical grips on my ARs ever since they first came out. I really like the length, and the 5-degree angle to them is perfect for my style of shooting. The problem is they're Picatinny grips, and the handguards on my favorite ARs were NSRs at the time. That meant that I had to run a Picatinny rail section between the handguard and the grip, which is of course less than ideal. But I knew that Bravo Company was coming out with a KeyMod handguard, which they have. They've got the KMR already out, and it is a fantastic handguard. I also knew that meant they would be coming out with KeyMod accessories. Well, they finally have the KeyMod version of their short vertical grip, but you do not have to be in a KeyMod or vertical grips to appreciate how neat this design is. It's not just Bravo Company's first direct attach KeyMod accessory, it's also the first toolless KeyMod accessory on the market from any manufacturer. And that's why Bravo Company's short KeyMod grip is what's coming up next on Twang and Bang. This short vertical grip is in Bravo Company's new Wolf Gray color, which will soon be an option for all of their polymer accessories. It shouldn't be any surprise it looks just like their Picatinny short vertical grip, though it does have a slightly narrower mounting base. No tools are required to attach or remove this grip, which is a huge plus. Simply unlock the lower from the base and unscrew 2 full turns to prepare it for installation. When in the open position, the recoil lug fully recesses into the spring-loaded mounting plate. The spring tension is easily overcome when mounting the grip on your handguard, yet it's just enough to keep the grip from torquing or slipping out of place while you're locking it down. The locking mechanism is as simple as it is effective. The one-piece grip lower is topped with a threaded plunger, which presses the base plate against the handguard, pulling the KeyMod studs into place. At the same time, the recoil lug is raised in position above the mounting base and into the KeyMod recoil hole. The KeyMod lugs are tapered to wedge the recoil lug against its slot in the handguard. So once the locking tab snaps back into place, you end up with compression forward and rearward to resist recoil, and perpendicular to the handguard to keep it locked in place. The plunger serves double duty as a battery holder. It accepts a AA battery, and it keeps it rattle-free once it's secured. The same hinged rubber door found on all gunfighter grips firmly closes over the storage area. The KeyMod short vertical grip will be available in FDE, black, foliage green, as well as the new Wolf Gray you've already seen. Though it is a Bravo Company product, its dimensions are specifically designed to be compatible with any in-spec KeyMod handguard. Though I'm generally a function over form kind of guy, I still think it looks sharp on my KMR SBR. This is the easiest KeyMod accessory to install that I've used to date. You just press it into the KeyMod slots, then with 2 quick turns, it's firmly locked into place. The grip is also fully reversible without any need to disassemble it to switch the orientation of any parts. In short, this grip is every bit as easy to install as most QD Picatinny accessories, which I see as the next logical step in KeyMod accessory design in general. The skirt of the grip is shaped to accommodate the most common ways short vertical grips are used. It makes for a nice transition between the handguard and the grip for those who use it as a hand stop, whether you put 1, 2, or 3 fingers on the grip. The sides of the skirt also give my fingers something to lock onto, just as I can do with the Picatinny version. Basically, this grip gives me everything I like about the Picatinny short grip, but with a lower profile and a convenient toolless attachment system. I've said it before, I'm going to say it now, and I know I'm going to say it again. I'm a huge fan of Eric Kinsel's designs. He has this way of taking a complex set of requirements and coming up with a simple set of parts in order to meet them all, and this vertical grip is a perfect example of that. Of course, this is the first toolless KeyMod accessory that's on the market from anybody. I'm sure we're going to see more from many different manufacturers, but I know we're going to see more from Eric Kinsel and Bravo Company. I can't wait to see them. If you want to learn more about Bravo Company's KeyMod vertical grip, be sure to click the link in the video description below. If you like this video, please take the time to log in and click the like button or the plus button in Google+. YouTube needs to know that you like firearms-oriented programming. And be sure to click right here to subscribe so you can catch my next videos on bows, guns, and other cool things. I really appreciate you watching Twang and Bang, and I hope to see you next time.